BOGIST C1 Pro electric scooter, city electric scooter. It's water resistant, IP64. It is fast and it's very light. Let's unbox it. Oh wow. It smells nice. Wow. Well, usually I don't sniff the electric scooters, but this one, whoa, and it looks premium. Look how premium this is. Wow. Let me take it out. Electric scooter manual. Let me just show this in close up. Let's see what we have here. Okay, it's in English. That's good. Wow. Wow. Well, it has all kinds of different information. Oh, then even have electric schematics. Usually you will not have this in different brands. Come on, now that's fantastic. Fantastic. Okay. Bell. What's that? Oh, smartphone holder. Oh wait, I shouldn't do that. Did I broke it? I think I broke it. God damn it! I'm an idiot. Okay, I think I broke it. Oh, you see? Yeah. There's a button here. Don't do it by force like I did. Just press it. There. Wow. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. What else do I have? A toolkit. What do you have in a toolkit? Okay. That's number 10 and number 13. Okay, very light. And a couple of Allen keys. And the screwdriver. Okay. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them. That's nice. And the charger. Wow. That's the specs. Can you see it? Let me just change the lens. Too close. There it is. Those are the specs. How long is the cable? Okay. It's like 1.5 meters. Nice. There's a light here which indicates the charging. Okay. It says 24. 24.5 kilograms. There you go. Wow. To unlock the scooter, you need to, let me just change the lens. To unlock the scooter, you need to put the lever, limit handle, up. You see? So we just, and there you go. It should unlock. Very easy. And then just hold it with your foot. And there you go. Wow, that was super easy. Bim! Okay. So what next? Now you have to attach the handlebar. Of course, all the tools are included. So there it is, an Allen key which is included. You just unscrew it first. Put your handlebar in. Bear in mind, this is the right side when the throttle is. That's the throttle. And this is the left side. Sorry for the background noise, my neighbor is weird. Now all you need to do is just screw this in. Make sure the distance are the same, so the handlebar is in the middle. You know what I like? What my first impression? This handlebar is not fold handlebar. This is a straight, nice handlebar, stiff and straight. Not on the other brands when they give you a fold handlebar, which is kind of pointless and it's wobbly and everything. This is stiff, nice, safe, more safer for you. Right, my friend, way more safer. Wow. So just tighten up those screws and yeah, let's continue. Now the seat. I usually don't use the seats, but do it for you. So first, just lock it. How do I lock this? Okay, like this. Am I doing this right? Yeah, I hope so. Let's see the manual. Now, release the lever. Now, bam! And then using the key which is included in the box, tighten up those screws. Well, set the seat post flat and tighten it up. See? With the number 13. That's what you need to do. In both sides, both. Measurements of the stand. The whole thing is 60. But the workspace, it's 30 in here. And let me just do it like this. And all the way from here to the end is 47. 20. Pressing the power button. Okay, and the screen is on. Well, do you have any plastic on it? It looks kind of dim. Oh wow, it's growing on me now. Okay, we have almost a full battery. That's nice. Let's connect the battery charger. It's very nice sealed because the scooter is IP64 water resistant. You just lift the rubber band, just connect it to a scooter. So please don't pull it all the way. Just like this. Another seal in there. It's very nice sealed. And first, connect your charger to the wall, please. Always first connect the charger to the wall and then plug it in. And it's charging. The brick has small fan in it, so you can hear it charging. It's not too loud. Yeah, like every other scooter. Wow. So there you go. The charging time, it's 4 to 9 hours. Well, at least what the manual says. And there you go. It's so easy to assemble this scooter. You don't need any additional tools. Of course, when you unbox a new scooter, it doesn't matter what brand it is, please check all those screws in every scooter, every brand. Please check them, because sometimes they could be loose. Well, and of course, check the pressure of your tires. That's most important. And yeah, that was the assemble video. I had great fun. I'm very hyped about this scooter, and in the next video we'll test the performance and reliability. Of course, there will be a link in the description to buy this scooter and maybe some discount codes. So, thanks for watching and goodbye.